Hi all, I'm Lundi from LegitBlueprint.com and I'm so happy that you're here that I can help you with your online business. It's now the time for online business as this is the way to go. If you need a little bit of extra income, a side income in the back pocket, this is the way to do it. So let's start from the beginning. In 2017, I started with my online business. I was looking for additional income that I can travel and do the nice things that you never have money for. So in here, 2017, I started. And I was working part-time on my own. Before I talk about my online business, I'm now full-time in this. Let me start from the beginning. I'm actually a healthcare professional. I worked in healthcare for 45 years. And I enjoyed healthcare, but the money wasn't what I wanted. And that's why I went to internet marketing, as this is where you can get additional income. But when Corona came, 2020, to my surprise, no more job for me. I lost my job with 2020 Corona, and there was nothing I could do. So all of a sudden, I saw this as a challenge. This will mean full-time online business, and now it has to work. No other option for me. So then I went and thought, let me re-evaluate what I'm doing. Where am I? What do I have? What's working? And what can I do better? Because I have to make this work. Firstly, there's three models: MLM, dropshipping, affiliate marketing. I started with MLM, multi-level marketing. I think you all know that, and you maybe have also tried it. I lost friends and family because the first thing with MLM, they tell you sell products to friends and family, put their names up and try to sell products for them. I started with plastic containers, I did cleaning products, I did healthcare products, I did nutrition, yoga, name it, I tried. But didn't work for me, didn't work for me. What was the next one? Dropshipping, e-commerce. You have to have a shop online. This is the best way. Okay, I started. I got my yoga shop up and running. I've got yoga and meditation and dropshipping from China. But with Corona, all of a sudden, nobody could get their products. And my shop had to close. So sorry, dropshipping wasn't the one anymore. So I was looking around to see what is the other things that I can do. And as you know, I'm an affiliate marketer today. So affiliate marketing is the third option that I chose. And I thought, if I'm going to make it work, it should be this. Because I don't need a lot of money. It's simple and it's easier than people think. You must just have the right mentor to make it work. No products needed because we sell products from consumers who already made the products. No office anywhere in the world, just a PC and the internet, and your business is off. So this is what I thought. 2020 affiliate marketing. Now affiliate marketing, as you all know, you join as affiliate. There's a lot of businesses that need people like me and you to sell their products. So they pay us to do this for them. So you join as affiliate. Mostly it's free. You don't even have to pay to be affiliate. You promote the product to your friends, family, whoever needs the product, and you earn commission. And it's easy as that. But it's not. You have to make sure you use the right process. Okay, it sounds good. Traffic and sales page. So what do people tell you? Especially if you have the wrong mentor, go to ClickBank, find your link and just send the traffic to the sales page. Easy, traffic to the sales page. Do you think it works? No, didn't work. I was trying my best. I was trying different products. I'm in the make money online niche. No matter what I tried, didn't work. Then I found somebody that told me, you're missing something in the middle. ClickFunnels is the thing. This is one of the tools that we need. As I said, there should be some tools that you invest in, and this is one of them. So you can make an opt-in page, because now you have to build your list. You have to get your emails. So I started with traffic, opt-in, sales page. What do you think? Did I get sales? Minimum. I couldn't even really mention it. So another negative for me. And I was thinking, it can't be so bad. People are doing it. People are successful. What am I doing wrong? And then I searched until I found the great mentors that tells you the right way for 2021 and next year, 2022. So if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing the right way, click the link below the video, click the link below and sign up for the video of tomorrow. I will talk about the right way and the right sales process to make this work for you. So thank you for listening. I'll see you tomorrow on the other side of the screen.